Shares of Alphabet up over 8% this year. Company is set to report tonight. Investors will be sure to watch for insights into AI as developments have been happening at a breakneck pace. Our Deirdre Bosa has more on what to watch. Hi, Dee. How you doing?
Good. Hey, Carl. Breakneck indeed. And what Google needs to do is win back, or maybe get it in the first place, AI momentum, because what is the use of leading edge technology and a massive distribution advantage if no one's actually using it? And so really simple, that is the mission this year. CEO Sundar Pichai's bold target is to get 500 million people to use Gemini, that is Google's chatbot, by the end of 2025. Now, to put that number in context, OpenAI has some 300 million users, and it started from scratch in November of 2022. Google has billions of existing users across Search, Gmail, Workspace, other products, but it's had trouble getting them to use Gemini, which is part of its bigger uphill AI battle. Google gave up its lead first to ChatGPT. It rushed launches, it rebranded, generally struggled with its innovator's dilemma, that is advancing AI search without cannibalizing its core search ad business. Even its latest model launch, Gemini 2.0 Flash, which has really been celebrated by developers and jumped to the top of performance leaderboards in AI, it has been overshadowed by DeepSeek's breakthrough. Underscoring this key point in AI dominance, it's not just about capability, it's about adoption. And that is really where Google has struggled. This morning, DeepSeek still holds the #1 spot in the App Store. ChatGPT is second. Gemini doesn't even break the top 10. It's at number 16. DeepSeek has also raised the stakes going forward by showing the world that the most competitive AI models, they can be built with a lot less capital, and they can operate far more efficiently, and this is key, they can be open sourced, enabling a broader community of developers and startups that don't require the infrastructure and data that has been critical to Google's advantage. But like we saw with Meta and Microsoft earnings last week, it is unlikely that Alphabet is going to be pulling back on AI spending plans, CapEx, because the race has only intensified. And that'll put pressure on other parts of the business, search ads and clouds, to really perform. Guys, I will also be looking for anything new on Waymo, Alphabet's robotaxi subsidiary. If last year was the year of strategic deployment, niche markets, we should see more generalization in 2025. And hopefully that will mean more financials from the unit, which we really don't know much about. Any of the margins, any of the profitability, we don't know that right now.